Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install the YooSee application on your Android TV. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So of course I'm going to be installing the application on my Android TV without the Google Play Store app. So follow attentively because I'm about to show you everything. So what do you do? If you don't have a Google Play Store like me, what you have to do is to come over to your browser. Now this can be a Google browser, can be Chrome, can be whatever browser you have. But I recommend the Google browser. It just depends on what is on your Android TV. So since I have the Google browser, I just go over here and I go over to the search box and I type in the new application I want, which in this case is a YooSee. So I come over here and I type YooSee app download. Now I'm not going to take a lot of time typing the name because I already have it in the suggestion here. So I come over to this suggestion and I click on this option that says YooSee app download. Now as you can see, here are options to install the application to my Android TV. The first option is from the Google Play, which is not the application but the web version of Google Play. The second option is from the official app, which I can download, and the other option is from a third-party site on the internet. All of this might work on your Android TV, but the safest one is from the Google Play Store. Now, this is not the application of Google Play Store since I don't have on my Android TV. This is the web version. Now, once you go over here, click on it. If it's your first time, they're going to ask you to log into Google on your browser, which is simple. Just put in your Google email and also your password. Once that is done, you can go over to option now and just click on install. An application is going to be installed straight away to your Android TV if you follow this process. And this is as easy as possible. So this is how to install the YooSee application. You can go ahead and wait for the application to quickly be installed to your Android TV. If you're not being able to install, Google is going to tell you that this application is not compatible with your Android TV. But if it is, you're going to see the install button as you've seen on my case here. So this is how to do it. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.